let's get into what we need to get that job done. Start with the gloves. Milwaukee is always reliable. Always gonna be a hit. Very durable, sturdy. Got the grip on the front, not too hot for while you're working. Definitely insulated a little bit. Highly recommend it. Got me a brush, my finishing brush. When I'm done with this gutter up here, I'm actually gonna give it the cleaning that you paid for, that you deserve. Something like that. Boom. Got a good step ladder. And it's the Pro platform. Each leg is adjustable to a different height. If you're on an uneven grade, the legs can account and adjust for that. Definitely a good purchase. Definitely worth the purchase. And that, my friends, is how you do gutter cleaning one-handed with just a little bit of will, a little bitty ladder, and a little bit of time. Get out there and make a bag.